up, y'all? Welcome back. So this one's gonna be pink, obviously. So I went ahead and I got the gloss berry pink. So yeah. And then I went ahead and got masking tape. This is the color vinyl I'm gonna be using. Now this actually is removable, but once I put the glaze coat on there, which I just forgot to bring in that, I'll put a picture of that in right here somewhere. Once you put the glaze coat over this, it doesn't matter if it's permanent or not, because the coat is gonna keep it down. So don't worry about that. And then of course, this is the stuff for the set. So I got the lighter, which I'm gonna spray paint pink. And then I got the little ashtray, which I got this from Meijer for $1.29. They had 5 left. I grabbed all of those. Okay. This was the coolest thing to me. So I got this 3-pack. I got this from Meijer. And it was what, $7.99, but I thought it was so freaking cool because it didn't have to work for me. So I'm gonna spray paint this top with that cup. The vinyl that they have on there already is pretty doggone close to the vinyl that I was using already, so that is perfect. And then it's still, when it says treat yourself, so it still goes with the whole thing that I'm going with, you know what I mean? So this was perfect. I can't believe I found it. I got the tray. Okay, so here I'm just going ahead taking the Mod Podge, and I'm gonna go ahead and set this up with the glitter. I would recommend using an even thin coat and make sure you don't have too many thick spots. The glitter that I put on at first, I did not like it, which you're gonna see in the next clip, and I had to do something about that. Okay.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Yeah, y'all hated that shit, so I had to start over, redo that shit again, because I was not going. That was trash, okay? So this is what I ended up coming up with, and I was satisfied. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my vinyl pieces to the ashtray, the jar, and the lighter. The tray is obviously drying from the glitter, and you have to let that completely dry before you can even go on to the next step, so that's drying. I didn't use contact paper with these just because the pieces were so big and it was just easy to get off, so I just did it by hand. Alright, y'all, now it's time to glaze the shits. No, I'm just playing. No, but seriously, it is time to glaze the shit though. So with this right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use equal parts. You see that side, part A, and the one I'm pulling down is part B. So however much you decide you want to use, just make sure you do equal amounts of both bottles. And I just got measuring cups, so that just made it easier for me. Then I just pour both of them into one, and boom, mix that baby real good, and there you go. Alright, so as I'm pouring the glaze on, I'm going to rock it back and forth a little bit. Then I'm just going to go, hands in to try to get it as even and as smooth of a coat as I possibly can. Because what I learned from my other previous ones, that if you don't have a smooth coat, it's just going to dry all gross looking. Alright, now that we didn't give the tray time to dry, we're going to go ahead and finally add its vinyl. And the saying is, inhale the good shit exhale the bullshit. And let me tell y'all what happened on my shit part. I didn't realize that my H head got pulled off a little taste, so it's a half H. It's a half H. Damn it. Alright, now that I got the vinyl down, I'm going to go ahead and give it this last glaze coating, making sure I go around the edges and everything, and making sure I take off any excess.